Hey guys, yo, what's up? It's Colin here.
Gang.
We have a couple fireworks. I'm just gonna throw this one. It's pretty loud.
I was like, how many are you lighting off?
Light them all off.
Why? You're never gonna light them at the same time.
I am. I'm gonna hold them together.
I mean, I guess he is lighting
Oh,
them
but you're
all.
gonna-
I'm not gonna run.
I swear to God, if any of you guys run, I'm gonna be so disappointed.
You're okay. He's like, oh,
I only live.
what the fuck?
Guys, this is intense. Scaredy cats. I got them all.
Dope or nope? What's in the comment section below? Dope or nope?
Dope
Dope or nope?
Dope
Dope
or
or
nope?
nope? Dope or nope?
Dope or no? Vote in the comments. Yo, the cops are here. The cops are here.
Penis.
Boys, we're gonna show you this fort over here. This me laddie. This is what we ride into town to get groceries. It's a half stick of butter. Why is that in there? This is our extra water for the sink. It's actually really warm. Here's our wood panels that hides all of our stuff.
Put it in there. They
What?
won't even see it. It's hidden.
Where'd
it go?
This is what we cook pasta with.
Oh,
Tell me
it's
about
like a cool
the
accessory.
faces on the tree.
Alright, so here's this is proof that it's protected by video surveillance.
Yeah.
This is our tennis ball friend. Look at me. Look at me.
Below.
Stop. I'm trying to drink my water. No.
Hey man. Yo, the guy. Yo. Mike.
Trying to cut.
Ow!